Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure to fix Netflix subtitle not loading. If your Netflix subtitles are not loading, the issue is typically caused by outdated app version, clear cache glitch, or incorrect profile settings as well. So what you want to do is first thing first, go to your respective app store and update the Netflix app to the latest version. After updating the app, you could try checking whether the issue has been solved or not. If that's not the case, try clearing your cache as well as data. So go to your respective app store, or you could just go to your settings on your device and locate apps from the list, locate Netflix from the list, and make sure to click on storage and cache and click on clear cache. That might be able to help you out. Now then, what you also want to do is refresh or restart. So that means completely close the app or running application in the background and hold on to your side button and make sure to restart your device at the same time. That should definitely help you out. Now you could also try fixing this issue by going to the Netflix itself. So open up your Netflix app onto your device, play any sort of series or movie or TV show, and click onto the gear icon at the top right hand side corner and check whether the issue will be fixed or not. So this way you should be able to fix Netflix subtitle not loading. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.